I want you to remember that good readers, when they get stuck on a word, they use Chunky Monkey and they look for chunks they know to help them read their word. Let's go over some chunks. It's important to look at chunks. What's this chunk?
Or the
Prob.
problem.
You figured this word by looking at chunks, okay? Let's look at this chunk. What's this? Cream.
We know that.
How about good? What is this chunk?
Fridge.
Wait,
it has
Ooh, let's underline that. Good thinking. That has j. All right, read the word.
Fridge.
All right, what about this one?
From.
Say the parts. Family.
Because it was just fam, it won't make sense.
Yeah, you're right. We have to look at words in chunks. Instead. So we're starting to read books that have long words that can be a challenge. So when we get stuck, we're going to use our strategy, Chunky Monkey, and we're going to look for chunks we know to help us read the word.